I do Qigong because it makes me feel more alive. And today's practice is all going to be about activating some energy and that's just regenerating energy. So getting back into our flow. So we're just going to start with some warm-ups. So just like shake, just get yourself going, let the neck go, bob around, shake, 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 shake. Shaking is really good for purging stuck energy. But it's also good for just activating. It's nice after, something's upsets you to shake or do stuff like that. So, okay, slow it down a little bit. We'll do a little activations for the hands. Rub them together. Little silk reeling. You remember from the beginning of this series. Did a lot of this. We're just going to do a little bit all the way up the arms. So you can do, we haven't done this before, but I do this a lot because I use my arms a lot. So right at the elbow joint, I just kind of take it and squeeze and twist and come all the way down the arm. Same thing, right above the elbow joint, squeeze and twist, and then come all the way down. Oh, if you use your forearms, do a lot of stuff with your fingers and stuff, it's going to feel good. And then just let that go at the end. Yeah, just noticing how the body feels. I got a little crink in my neck. Let's do little circles. Just releasing tension in the head, neck, and shoulders. And other direction. Just kind of getting things warmed up. And then we're going to go into a regenerative flow. So ball, little chi ball. Yeah, let's just start with that, noticing how it feels. Inhale, expand the ball. Exhale, deflate the ball a little bit. And have that mirror what's happening in your belly. So beginning to develop that sensitivity of the lower dantian. Inhale, expand, exhale. Slow, deep breathing. Resets the nervous system. Brings your awareness inside of your body. Into your space. The one thing you can influence the most. Starting with self. The imagined self that we are. And now let's just take that ball and come up and down. And a little bit different this time. We're going to kind of scoop up with our hands and like we're splashing water on our face, just let that chi flow down the front of the body. Inhale, bringing some chi up, and exhale, just having it flow down the front. Inhale, water onto the face. Feels so good. And then down the front. Nice flow. Roughly, we're activating the microcosmic orbit, one of my favorite kind of flows for building up chi in the body. And we're focused on the downward flow, the flow down the front of the body. I'm talking, but you can put your tip of your tongue on the roof of your mouth. Kind of where if you say la, 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 where it kind of naturally would be, la, just let it stay right there. That connects the orbit, the flow up the back with the flow down the front. So tip of the tongue on the roof of the mouth is a pro move in Qigong. In fact, you could keep it there all the time. I do. I mean, it's just how it is now. I'm so used to having it there, and it makes the energy flow better in the body. This is our day 14, so we've done 2 weeks of Chair Qigong. I'm going to keep this series going, but I'm going to switch for a little bit. And there'll be a link at the end right up here to another playlist, which is a seated practice as well, where I'm doing healing sounds. And that'll take about 7 days to get through. I'll put up the introduction to on the playlist, and then each of the healing sounds will be a separate day. So those are really valuable. So the healing sounds are sounds that help vibrate different organs in the body to release stagnant qi and held emotions. So when we do the healing sound for the lungs, we're releasing sorrow and grief. When we do the healing sound for the liver, we're releasing anger, and so forth. So it's a really kind of a nice series, and it's used a lot for chronic illnesses, things that no other system is getting to. Regular medical treatment just isn't quite enough to get to the deep-seated cause. I mean, before you get a physical ailment, you have energy blockages. So even if you don't have a physical ailment, or if you're feeling pretty good, you just want to prevent blockages, prevent disease, it's perfect. And that's why I do it. I'm doing it every day. I do about 18 minutes of healing sounds, all of them, to just keep myself in good shape. And it's really simple. It's a seated practice. There's actually no movement in what I do. I just do the breaths. I'll be teaching movements you can do, because if someone's got a more serious condition or have something that they really need to get out of there, you can do movements that'll enhance the effects of the healing sounds. So check it out. Do it. See if you like it. Go back through this playlist again. Can't get enough of Qi Gong. Keeps me healthy, keeps me vital, keeps me energized. And I want that for you too. So the key thing with establishing a practice is making it doable and spending just as much time as you do it thinking about how good it is for you. Because that's the thing, we forget. There's so many things we can choose to do with our time. It's easy to get distracted by something that seems more important. So it's important to keep the perspective. Inhale as we're going up, exhale down the body. Just bringing the awareness in, feeling the energy flowing down the front of the body. With Qigong, that's what you're doing. You're moving energy with the breath, with the mind, and you're sensing it, increasing your awareness. And if emotions come up, which they do, a lot of these moves will bring up emotions. Just let them be. Just keep flowing and be with them. Let's do one more. Settling into the lower dantian, hands over the belly. A couple of centering breaths there. Rejoicing and doing another few minutes of Qigong, something really good for yourself. Thank you for practicing with me today. I look forward to seeing you in the Healing Sounds series.